This is how to make your music videos sound better in Adobe Premiere Pro. Drop a like if this helps, let's go. Want to learn how passive income works? Click the link down below. Let's say you have this music piece or this track. And you would like to successfully make your music video piece sound better in Adobe Premiere Pro. It's quite simple. As you can already notice off the bat, our audio is peaking and we would not like that. Go to Effects on the top left hand screen, type in hard space limiter. If you don't have this, go to Window, click on Effects Control or Effects, and you should have the Effects panel. Underneath Audio Effects, click the drop down arrow, click on Hard Limiter, drag this on your audio piece. As you can see, it turns color green. Go to Effects Control, click Edit. Underneath Default, we're going to change this to -6. As you can see, if that's a little too quiet, it just decreased the audio so it won't peak. Go back to Edit, -3. As you can see, that sounds a little bit more better or cinematic. Next, go back to Effects, type in Bass, drag Bass, type in Treble, drag Treble. Go back to Effects Control. Underneath Treble, you want to decrease this more than the bass. Let's say 10 decibels. And then bass around 5 decibels. The treble is going to successfully make your audio piece or the vocals pop out in your music video. And the bass will make the bass or the hard sounds sound better. Or should I say, this is the before of the music video. And this is the after.